Vekselman with Partner Driven. I want to show you something a little different today. It's a deal we did with our partner Jason Blaskowski up in Oak Harbor, Washington. Now, unlike a typical fix and flip project, this one was called a hotel deal. This means instead of doing a full renovation, we bought it, listed it right away with a local agent, and lined up a buyer almost immediately. We're buying this property for $270,000 and selling it the exact same day for $350,000. That's an $80,000 spread with no hammers, no contractors, and no holding costs. This is a perfect example of how Partner Driven helps our partners take advantage of every opportunity out there. We provide the capital, the team, and the guidance to get these deals done fast. So whether it's a full renovation, a quick flip, or a creative deal like this one, our goal is the same. Help our partners make profits while we handle the heavy lifting. Real deals, real partnerships, and real results.